Hey there, everybody. After our Beavercreek police shooting and the other up in Cleveland, it may soon be tougher to become a cop.
Christian Hauser has the new recommendations and police reaction tonight.
Here at the Dayton Police Safety Building, the chief knows more training would certainly help his officers, but he wants to know where the money's going to come to pay for those hours, as well as how he's going to keep the streets fully staffed while his officers are in training.
The advisory group was created by AG Mike DeWine after the shooting deaths of John Crawford III at a Beavercreek Walmart and 12-year-old Tamir Rice in Cleveland.
If we don't have a trust connecting the citizens to the law enforcement, then I honestly don't see the reason of them being there. The whole existence is the trust that we put into them to support us and to make us safer.
Today's recommendations call for 10 times as much training a year for current officers, going from 4 to 40 hours. That increase in training is something everyone we talked with felt was needed.
If there's not, there's going to be something happen bad, and I don't know what it's going to be, but we don't need any more race wars or anything like that over different things that happens because an officer's too quick with his gun.
Dayton's police chief says he's been advocating for more training for years, but he knows adding extra hours is a lot easier said than done.
If police officers are required to go to training, but there's not the ability to backfill their positions in the field through additional funding, there's many departments that will struggle to meet this standard.
Back to the shooting deaths of John Crawford and Tamir Rice. A grand jury cleared officers of any wrongdoing in Crawford's case, and an investigation is still ongoing in the Rice shooting. Crawford's family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Walmart and the city of Beavercreek. We reached out several times to the family attorney to get their take on the recommendations, but have not heard back. Reporting in Dayton, Christian Hauser, ABC 22 News.
Increased training is just one of the recommendations today from the AG's task force. They also say law enforcement officers would need to have a GED or a high school diploma. They'd have to pass a drug test and take a psychological examination. And again, at least 40 hours of training every year. The focus would be on community relations, mental health, and the use of force. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about these recommendations? Weigh in at facebook.com/ABC22 Dayton.